Welcome students. This video is for class 1 students. I am your Mulberry teacher. Children, today we will start our new chapter number 3, The Old Man and His Sons. What do you say after you fight with someone? Tick the correct answer below. Children, thank you, sorry, or goodbye. Sorry. Children, this is a story about an old man, and he had 3 sons. But his 3 sons are not working. The old man always worry about their future because they are always fighting with each other. So, this story is about the old man and his sons. Now, let us read how the old man teach his sons not to fight and live together with happiness. Let's begin. An old man had 3 sons. They did not love one another. They kept fighting all the time. This made the old man very sad. Children, now tell me, how many sons did the old man have? Yes, the old man had 3 sons. Now, they always fighting with each other, and the old man was very sad. Now, next. One day, the old man called his sons because he was always worried about his son, so he called his sons. He bought a bundle of sticks. You know, many sticks make a bundle of sticks. He said, "Here is a bundle of sticks. Break the bundle." Each of the sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. Children, you also know we can't break a bundle of sticks. Then the old man untied the bundle. It means he gave single sticks. He gave one stick to each of his sons and said, "Try to break your sticks." Children, you also know bundle cannot break easily, but a single stick can break easily. They tried. See in this picture? They tried for single. They can do easily. Now they broke their sticks very easily. The old man said, "My boys, you have seen that you cannot break the stick when they are tied with a string, but you can break them when they are separated. This is the strength of unity. If you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. So, do not fight with each other. Try to live in peace. Then you will all be happy." Children, you all know a single stick can break easily, but a bundle cannot break. That's if we are living together and don't fight, nobody can harm us. If we are fighting with each other, anybody can harm us. But if we are together, nobody can harm us. So, this lesson taught by the old man to his sons that don't fight with each other, live together and love together. Children, now give me this question's answer. What could the sun not break? What were they able to break easily? The sun could not break the bundle of sticks, but they break a single stick easily. Children, now this lesson reading is completed. Children, I hope you all are understand this lesson. Now read this lesson carefully and understand this lesson carefully. And everything I explain you very deeply. Children, you also read this once again. And in our next video, we will try to solve our exercise work. Till then, goodbye and best wishes.